Human beings cannot exist without plants, with every culture having its own unique stories involving plants. In the long and magnificent history of Chinese civilization, plants have left indelible marks on the culture of the nation. China is the home of tea and the first nation in the world to discover and cultivate tea trees and to make use of its leaves. The Silk Road has been facilitating trade and cultural exchanges between the East and West for millennia. Archaeological excavations have uncovered signs of rice cultivation over 10,000 years ago in China. The classic of poetry, the oldest extant collection of Chinese poetry, written over 2,500 years ago, mentioned 138 species of plants. Through the understanding and use of plants, the Chinese of antiquity developed the doctrine of the unity of man and nature. It has influenced the way in which Chinese people interact with nature. Of all the countries in the Northern Hemisphere, China's biodiversity is the richest. Various unique habitats have formed biodiversity centers of different plant groups and helped relic plants like ginkgo, metasequoia, and davidia to survive in China. From the mangrove forests of the southern shores to the boreal forests of the northeast. From the tropical rainforests on Hainan Island and in Xishuangbanna to the expanses of tundra on the Himalaya and the Qinghai Tibet Plateau. And from the swampy lower reaches of the Yangtze River Delta to the steppes and deserts in the northwest. Over 31,000 species of vascular plants occur in China. Over more than half a century, China has made substantial progress in protecting, studying, and utilizing the diversity of these plants. China has established more than 2,700 nature reserves and nearly 200 botanical gardens and arboretums in many different climate zones. In 2004, the giant 80-volume book of the Flora Republica Popularis Sinica was completed. In 2013, Flora of China was completed. In 2015, Tu Youyou, a Chinese scientist, was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine for her discovery of artemisinin, an effective compound against malaria. As the nation's first special economic zone, Shenzhen has created miracles of global and historic significance through over 30 years of development and gave birth to internationally renowned high-tech corporations such as Huawei, Tencent, and DJI. As a beautiful garden city with nearly 1,000 parks, Shenzhen attaches importance to the conservation of plant diversity and to the development of biotechnology industries. The flora of Shenzhen recorded 2,032 species, or lower taxa, of wild plants occurring in Shenzhen. The Fairy Lake Botanical Garden collected nearly 10,000 species of living plants, including specialized collections of cycads, ferns, and magnolias. BGI is the largest, most effective genomic sequencing center in the world. The China National Gene Bank of Shenzhen aims to be the largest global biological information data generating platform. The Agricultural Genomics Institute of Shenzhen, Chinese Academy of Agricultural Sciences, is a leader in agricultural research and crop breeding in China. Shenzhen is building an international bio-valley, a world-class biotechnology innovation center, and a hub for bioindustry enterprises. Humanity is a community of common destiny. An increasing number of us are taking actions in conserving the world's resources and improving our environment. Today, it is the first time for Shenzhen, China, to host the International Botanical Congress in its 117-year history. Several thousand scientists gather here to share ideas and to seek solutions to the critical issues affecting plants and people. Let us work together to protect the diversity of plants. Let us care for plants, care for our future.